Hello students, we are going to read the first chapter of standard 9 from the book Moments, and the name of chapter is The Lost Child by Mulk Raj Anand. This is a story of a child and his innocence. It is a bright spring day. There is a fair going on and everyone in and around the village is traveling to partake of the delights of the fair. Among them is a young boy. He skips and runs happily alongside his parents as they walk to the fair. There are many people traveling along with them. Some of them are moving in bullock carts or horses, while most of them are walking to the fair. The boy's excitement grows as he sees all the people around them. On his way, he sees a toy shop. He loudly proclaims that he wants a toy. He wants a toy. His father looks at him sternly. To divert the child's attention, his mother draws his attention towards the mustard fields. And there is a vast field of golden yellow mustard fields, and its color excites the boy. The fields is also filled with butterflies. The boy is fascinated by the butterflies. As they fly close to him, he tries to catch some of them, but they elude him. His parents call out to him to join them. Come here and sit with us. As soon as the boy enters the grove, a shower of flowers greets him and he holds out his hand to catch the petals. The boy looks around in wonder, taking in all the sights and sounds of nature. From the grove, they travel along a narrow path to the fair. From the scene around a world of the nature, the boy enters the world of the fair. Its cacophony, sights and smells fascinate and repel him at the same time. The boy stops in front of a sweet shop, tempted by the delightful display of sweets. He wants a barfi, though he knows his parents will not buy it for him. As they walk on, he is attracted by the beautiful garlands of gulmohar in the next shop. Though he wants one around his neck, he knows his parents will call it cheap and refuse him. Brightly colored balloons on a pole greet him next. He stops and gazes at the bright balloons floating in the air.